Today I'm going to be reviewing PGYARD's mini bacon grease saver with strainer. It's 15 ounces made out of enamel. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I can't believe how excited I am about this. I've been just using cups around the house. So it looks really nice. It's got enamel. It comes with a spoon, but here's the best part. When you take off the top, there's the inside 15 ounces. Right there, built in, you've got a strainer. So you could just pull the strainer off. It takes a little bit of effort. Just pull that strainer off right there. Put it on there. And your bacon grease is going to be clean because we all know when you just put it in there, you got little chunks of stuff. It's kind of gross. So you can put that in there. They do sell these in different colors, red, blue, and green. What's also nice, it is dishwasher safe. This is heat resistant and will go up to 257 degrees. 5.3 inches tall, 3.5 inches here, 15 ounces. This does get 4.6 stars, 107 reviews. Last month, 200 plus of just the reds were bought. So if you're looking for a mini bacon grease saver, take a look at this from PGYARD. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.